Hey, what is going on, everyone? Today is Thursday. Well, it's already Friday, but I'm recording at 1:06. I know I said I was gonna record it earlier, but like usual, I was a little busy after the market, And I'm just gonna speak about what happened yesterday. Well, today because yesterday, today, whatever. All right. Total, I was up $76 for the day. I could talk about the trade that made me the most money, which was Amazon. I really and in reality, I actually scalped this because the contracts that I had did move, like they went insane. I had the Amazon 3800s, so I saw it kind of broke out of a small channel that was forming early on, and I was a little. I think I was up like $20 for the day, and I wanted to see if I could get a little bit more juice, get a small little juicer magooser. And let me see when I got in. I got in at 12:33. No, 12. Uh, all right, 12:32:43. Ready? 12:42. So around here. Yeah, this gap up right here. I sold right here at this top, or like right here. I don't know. It was somewhere around this area. I did move. I did you know sell really early because like the move kept happening. It literally broke all time highs. It was insane. These contracts went insane. The high on them was 17.99, bro. That's insane. That's insane. I bought them for five each, 530 each. That's literally $1,200 a piece. But out of nowhere, it started running crazy because the QQQ started running up nicely around that time as well. And Amazon's contracts fell from that high it was at yesterday to like dollars each, like really close to the money as well. And yeah, that was a really good trade. I probably should have just left one, but I was just trying to lock in some profits for the day. But I probably should have looked at the bigger picture. The contracts had way too much room to move, and they moved an insane amount today. Literally from pennies to hundreds of dollars, which is insane. That was an insane move. I took Beyond. There was news about Beyond Chicken yesterday, and it did have a small early morning push. I was going in and out of the trade like with like one contract or two contracts like waiting for like a Beyond rip because they usually like when it has news like out of nowhere it would just like have a crazy rip and the premium will go crazy. And I was gonna add to my position, but it did have this little move right here, but it just started dumping, and I was just going in and out with the trade, testing the waters on Beyond. Small $25 trade, nothing too big. I got in on Fubo. Now Fubo's one of these stocks that I have to remember that the premium doesn't move like the way. I mean, unless you're really in the money on Fubo, I got in right here on one of these candles. Oh no, yeah, I think it was right here. I literally bought in right here and I sold out right there. And the premium ripped up like 20 cents right there. But the premium moves crazy because Fubo, like, I don't know what it is, but this stock likes to wick out a lot. Like, it was wicking out on this level that I placed here, and it was getting really annoying. And I just had a really tight stop loss on this because once I saw the volume die down a little bit, um, I didn't want to get stuck with that premium, especially since the premium this week is like even like more decay than any other week because of the Fourth of July weekend. It's moving like Friday premium, so I was not gonna get caught like into this dip right here. If anything, I would have bought down here, but I just didn't want to get caught into like these wicks again, so I just left that alone. Oh wait, so I made $16 on that trade, bro. If I would have held that trade for at least another 10 seconds, it probably would have been like $180 trade, something crazy like that, because that premium are crazy. And Netflix, there was news about it's most profitable director. I don't know. It's this lady. I don't know her name, but it was announced that she started on a new contract with Netflix. And although that's not really like the premium that I like, I mean that's not the type of news that I like playing on Netflix. But I just thought we were gonna get a popper due to like the insane amount of dark pool flow we have been getting in Netflix like these past couple of days, and today was really insane. There was so much money like dumped into Netflix, and either this gaps up right here, and my calls line will probably be gapped up right here due to that dark pool, or maybe even up here, or um it breaks this channel trend and it starts dumping, and then we have a huge sell off tomorrow. So I have my eye on Netflix for that. It's either gonna go up crazy or it's gonna dump. I'm sure, like, and also as well, um, it's at a point at the bottom of the channel. It's either gonna bounce hard right here or just straight dump this level, and then I'll draw my fibs in the morning just to see like what's gonna happen, because I don't really have. I mean I have like that huge sell off fibbed out, but other than that, I'm waiting for a move on this tomorrow. It was a $16 L. The premium ran up a little bit, but at the same time, I just wanted to get out. Also in this trade, I did not want to end up with an L. Recently I've been using really tight stop losses on my on my trades, and it's been working really good. It's a mental stop loss for the most part. If I see if that first initial move didn't work out, like I'll just get out right away. You know what I'm saying? I try to do stop losses with options, but I'm still not comfortable with it due to like the volatility of the contracts that I play. If I was to play with like more time, I would use stop losses, but when I'm day trading, I'm like in and out right away. So, you know, yeah, that's why I don't use it. But I'm slowly but surely gonna start, initiating that into my trading profile. And I played this Pags. There was news of it like being investigated. It dumped. Dang, this shit ripped. Started ripping after. I don't know what happened. It was dumping earlier. I barely played. I think I had. Let me see. I had only one contract. Yeah, only one contract. I was just testing the waters. It was like one of the first trades of the day. Next time I probably wouldn't take a trade like this, because usually if there's like a FDA like investigation on a company or something like that, I usually like waiting or I usually like playing playing companies with like a bigger market cap and like a bigger stock price, because usually like that's when the contracts will move crazy, because there's like some contracts that will move like it will barely move compared to like a $300 stock, because like there's way more downside that could be completed, and that premium is just gonna shoot up. And this premium, it did shoot up after a while, but it took a while in this small, drilling right here. Premium ran from like 40 to like 80 right here, really small, only 100%. And there is way better moves in the market. And I also didn't have none of this charted up, so I just didn't want to take that risk. I only took one. Now I took space. I got stopped out of space as well. I think it was at this level right here. Yeah, it was at this level. I was watching this on my watch list from yesterday, cause I was expecting a run up onto the 11th for the rocket ship for like the space thing, that the spacewalk. Now I was so mad that it broke my level. I got in, fell down right away. It didn't even touch the 9 EMA or anything. It just started drilling down right there. I was so mad. I got stopped out right away. It started wicking out, and it kept gradually trying to break that level. It came back down. It got like some more support right here. Probably some more buyers stepped in right here, and they were able to break that wall right there, and that shit just started mooning. started going insane. Ended up being up 17% for the day, but this was really a slow grinder. Dailies on this stock didn't really move as much. I think the weeklies probably went even more. I mean, no, I think like the 2 or 3 weeks, like not too out, but like these weeklies were burnt out. So yeah, they probably only went up like 100%, something like that. I'm sure like the July 16s and the 30th went way better. Let me see. Premium probably ran better. These opened up at 4, yeah, a little better. But the weeklies were trash. I mean, the dailies were trash. Basically dailies because it's only a day left. And the last thing is Tesla. I took a Tesla call literally at the end of day. Now, I literally bought it at the hot, well, at this level right here, or something like that. And the reason why I bought it was because I was just thinking about it. I was like, bro, one, it bounced off the 200 SMA today, and two, the thing is that Netflix, Tesla has earnings on the 21st. Now le- that's less than a week from here. You know what I'm saying? And technically speaking, it's not at the best level, but at the same time, it did bounce over the 200 SMA, and I'm sure the hedge funds want to pump this stock a little bit more before earnings, so that they could catch that premium run up, and sell everybody horrible out the money calls. You know what I'm saying, for that earnings call, and we all know that Tesla always, like, even if it does good on earnings, it always shits the bed. It's really bad. So I'm expecting this to push over 700. To be honest, not tomorrow. These are I got the 16ths. Now this is not the strike price that I wanted. I just grabbed that because that was like probably like the cheapest play I could have got. That was like not too far away. I mean, I'm not realistically thinking of 765, but at the same time, if this pushes $40 tomorrow, we can see that premium run up good. I'm probably gonna see within the first 5 minutes what happens within like the rest of the market, and if it's going up well, I'll probably just hold it until next week or sell out right away. But I think Tesla runs here, bro. To be honest, and my friend also pointed out that it was there was like a death cross on it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Give me a second. Wait, that's the 200, and that's the. Oh no, I have the 30 pulled up. Let me see. Pull out the 50. Alright, so right there it crossed. No, no, wait. Right there it crossed. It crossed that the other day, but at the same time, like, I don't know, man. I don't know. I just bought it. It was only $100, and yeah, that's pretty much it, yo. I'm really tired again. I'm gonna try to do my video early tomorrow, right after the market closes, or right after I finish trading, because I don't like doing it in the nighttime because I'm not like in the same mental space that I was during the day. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be back tomorrow with the video around like 4:30 or 5 o'clock. See you guys tomorrow.